It's 8:16 p.m. on day 4. This is a summary and also some reflections on the day. So the day started off with waking up really early, 5 a.m. That was difficult, really difficult. Staying up till basically 7, having a lot of thoughts. Don't like that. I'm really curious to see how tonight goes. I was extremely sore and tired trying to get out of bed at 9:30. That was really difficult, a difficult 2 hours, just really intense soreness. Breathing was difficult because the muscles around my torso just felt really tight. That ended up going into Orange Theory, where for 90 minutes I tried my best to keep going while basically having trouble breathing. So I did half as many splat points, at least half as many splat points as usual in a 90-minute class, but I survived. Got my t-shirt. Very happy about that. 5 sessions in 5 days. Then the afternoon was pretty good. Definitely felt focused and steady for almost the entire day, except that I had this thing that I got irritable about with respect to safety of the kids in the street, and I definitely had strong feelings about that. Can't tell if it was justified or not. I don't know. I think there has been kind of a long time buildup of feeling responsible for other people's kids in a busy intersection with a lot of cars coming through. So I can't tell. Afterwards, I debriefed with Aiden some, and we had a good conversation about it. I think we came to a good place. And also at dinner time tonight, this was our first family dinner actually since I started because Margaret's been away the last few days. And it felt different. I was focused, listening to everybody. I wasn't spacing out. Yeah, it was a good dinner. And then I cleaned a bunch of things. I cleaned on the front porch after we had carved pumpkins this afternoon. I did like 5 loads of laundry over the last 2 days, and I just cleaned off my bathroom sink, which I've probably never cleaned off, almost never cleaned off in 10 years of living here. So that was big. I cleaned it quite a bit. You can actually see the sink. So that was interesting. Yeah, I threw away a lot of stuff that was accumulated on there and put a lot of stuff away. So the cleaning thing is real. I've never been a cleaner. I don't know how to describe why I'm cleaning other than I just see what needs to be cleaned and I just start to clean it. I've noticed that all around the house. I also did a couple of handyman chores that I'd put off for a little while and just got them done. So it's been good. I think I'm gonna go to bed soon, maybe by 9:30, and hopefully I can fall asleep easily and stay asleep most of the night. It's been a good day overall, steady, except for the irritability in the afternoon, and I feel really good. I think that 2 doses of Adderall XR today went well and smoothly.